very very important in this chapter. From this topic onwards till the end of the chapter, all the topics are very important. Why means every topic we will get in the examination either 2 marks or 4 marks. Now the topic is Kirchhoff laws. Scientist name Kirchhoff. Ohm's law. We know that V is equal to IR. Ohm's law is failed to find the resistance capital R, current capital I, and EMF E when the circuit is complex. In a complex circuit means in that circuit 2 or more than 2 resistors are present and 2 or more than 2 batteries are present, and circuits also number of are present. It is called complex circuit. To find the current, resistance and EMF in the complex circuit, Ohm's law is failed. Ohm's law is failed, but Ohm's law holds good to find current, resistance and EMF in a simple circuit, but in case of a complex circuit it is failed. So Kirchhoff is explained 2 laws to find the current, EMF and resistance in a complex circuit. And what are the 2 laws? In that one we will discuss the first law, that is called Kirchhoff current law. This Kirchhoff current law is also called Kirchhoff first law. Kirchhoff current law, shortcut KCL. Now what is the Kirchhoff current law? The algebraic sum of flow of current at the junction is 0. This is very important. Which one? Algebraic. Algebraic sum of flow of current at the junction is 0. It is algebraic sum. Algebraic sum means it is a combination of additions and subtractions. Only additions we can say sum. Additions and subtractions are exist, it is called algebraic sum. The algebraic sum of flow of current at the junction is 0. This is the statement. What is the mathematical expression for it is sigma is equal to 0. In the examination you must write this, sigma is equal to 0. What is sigma I? Algebraic sum of flow of current at the junction would happen 0. That's why if you are not get the idea of the definition, compulsory you write this one, sigma is equal to 0. Okay, Kirchhoff current law is also called as law of junction. Why in this one which is used? Junction is used. That's why Kirchhoff current law is also called law of junction. Now this law obeys law of conservation of charge. Law of conservation of the charge. Now what is the meaning of that? It means no charge is deposited at the junction. No charge is deposited at the junction. Now let us take, this is one of the simple circuit. I means I1 current. First segment, second segment, third segment, fourth segment, fifth segment. Current means flow of charge. This is the junction. Which one? O. Whatever the charges is at this point, whatever the charges are reaches this point, the same charges are away from the junction. That's why it means no charge is deposited at the junction. Okay. In this law, flow of current towards the junction. In the Kirchhoff current law, flow of current towards the junction taken as positively means flow of current towards the junction taken positively, and flow of current away from the junction is taken negatively. Towards which one? I1 is towards, I2 is towards, I3 is towards. That's why these are taken positively. Flow of current away from the junction is taken negatively. Which are away from the junction? I4, I5. That's why I1 plus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0. I4 and I5 taken minus that are away from the junction. I1, I2, I3 are taken plus or positive that are towards the junction. Flow of current towards the junction taken positively, flow of current away from the junction taken negatively. That's why we can write I1 plus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0. So you take this in this side, we can get I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I4 plus I5. But here what are there? Positives are there, negatives are there. That's why what we can use? Algebraic sum. Algebraic sum means it is addition and subtraction. Sigma is equal to 0. Why we take algebraic sum? In that one additions are taken and subtractions are taken. That's why. Okay. This is about Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law. What is the statement? The algebraic sum of flow of current at the junction is 0. Mathematical expression sigma is equal to 0. This Kirchhoff current law is also called law of junction. It obeys law of conservation of charge. It means no charge is deposited at the junction. And here one condition is there. When the flow of current is towards the junction taken positively, when the flow of current away from the junction taken negatively. This is about Kirchhoff current law. And the second law is Kirchhoff voltage law.